So my top cracked. Too many years, I guess 40 years in the sun. Put a crack right down the center, so I'm gonna send it out and we'll see what happens. As you can see, it's a pretty big split. It goes about halfway down towards the front, gets really wide. All right, so UPS just dropped off my top. Let's see what we got. All right, there it is. So what I did was I sent the top out, and so this is my old top frame and my old seals. They would have put new seals on it if I wanted them, but I just replaced them, so they're good. One of the big advantages of using my top is that all these alignment holes will all still be perfect because it is my top, so I don't have to do any adjustments. So I sent it out to Melrose T Tops. They're in Illinois, and it was $734 altogether. So $599 if you can just get it to them somehow. I actually paid $135 to have them send me a box and then ship it back. So if you could catch them at an event somewhere, it'd be $5.99, or if you're in Chicago somewhere, or in Illinois somewhere, I guess. But really looks good. Let's flip it over and put it on the roof. So there it is, just sat right on there, fit real good. Once again, it's using my weather strip, so that's good. They put this nice wrap on there to keep it all from getting scratched. Once again, it is a brand new piece of acrylic. So this isn't 40 years old. This is a brand new piece. They mold them right to shape. They have the blue ones, they have the bronze ones, and they also have the fiberglass ones, as well as an insert for the fiberglass for the headliner. So you could get any one of them. I'm going to try to buy another top in the fiberglass and paint it red with the car. But just thought I would show you what that top looks like. Very impressed, fits well. So there it is without the wrapping on it. I just laid it down on there. Man, not a scratch in it. No, whatever this poly does after 40 years, it changes colors and has those hairline cracks running through it. It is just absolutely perfect. So thank you, Melrose Tops, man. It really looks good. If you got a car and you really want to get this thing right instead of buying somebody else's used stuff, this is a really good way to go to get this brand new piece of acrylic. All right, thanks, you two. Have a good day.